How to fix unable to go live on TikTok? Well, first things first, there are certain eligibility requirements that you'll have to understand on TikTok before being able to go live. Well, if you want to go live on TikTok, first thing you'll have to check is the 1000 followers requirement. So you need to have at least minimum of 1000 followers and age of at least 16 on your TikTok account. Now, once you have checked the basics, sometimes it can be a simple glitch or a bug. So in that case, you want to simply update your application to the latest version. If there is no any update, you might try and clear the cache of the application. Now on iPhone, you can open up TikTok, head over to your profile. Once you head into your profile, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right and then head into settings and privacy. Now once you're on the settings and privacy, you want to scroll down and you want to find the storage option or free up space option and then clear the cache. Now that should help. However, if this doesn't fix your issue, what you can do is you can simply reinstall the application. However, make sure to save your drafts beforehand as you'll lose them once you uninstall the app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.